Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm sharing with you on how to crochet this lovely puppy flower. The size is similar to the ones that we get from local places. I love to use my crochet ring when I crochet. With this, no more skin burns. And I highly recommend it when you crochet a lot. The link is in the description box. For this project, you need two colors. I don't have black, so I'm using navy blue. Both of these are cotton yarn, number 1 superfine yarn. A 4mm hook, a pair of scissors, 2 different size needles, and some pins. Alright, let's get started. Start with the darker color. With 2 strands of yarn, make a magic circle. Wrap the yarn around the finger twice. Insert the hook under the first loop, pull through, and twist. Yarn over, pull through. Now that we have the magic circle, place 4 single crochet, insert, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. That's 1. Again, insert, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. 2, 3, and 4. To close the circle, pull the tail. And slip stitch into the first stitch. 1, 2, 3, 4. This one. One chain. Cut yarn. Insert the second color into the first stitch. Tie a knot. Insert hook into the same stitch. Pull up a loop. 3 chains. 1, 2, 3. Slip stitch into the next stitch. Three chains. 1, 2, 3. Slip stitch into the next stitch. Three chains. 1, 2, 3. And slip stitch into the last stitch. 3 chains. 1, 2, 3. Now that we have 4 3-chain stitches, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Slip stitch into the first stitch. And slip stitch into the first 3-chain space. Three chains. 1, 2, 3. In the same 3-chain space, place 6 double crochet. Yarn over, insert, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through the first 2 loops, and yarn over, pull through the last 2 loops. Again, that's 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. 3 chains, 1, 2, 3, and slip stitch into the same 3 chain space. Now the first petal is complete. To make the next petal, slip stitch into the next 3 chain space. And repeat what we did, 3 chains, and place 6 double crochet into the same space. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. 3 chains, 1, 2, 3, and slip stitch into the same space. Repeat 2 more times until you have 4 petals. At the end of the 4th petal, slip stitch into the same chain space. Then 1 chain. Cut yarn and weave in the tails. Lastly is to attach the pin to the flower. And that's all for today. Thank you for joining me. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit the like button and the notification bell, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!